Hello, I'm Ioannis and I'm a security researcher at ChainSecurity. And I'd like to talk about deployment validation files, or DVFs in short. First of all, let's reflect for a moment on the status of the DeFi space. How do people use DeFi today? They usually go to a website and they're prompted with a message to sign. It's very hard to check what are the exact parameters of the smart contract you're going to interact with. Maybe you can go as far as checking the address, but that's all. Is this enough? In a way, it's a little bit counterintuitive if you think about it. Even though you interact with a contract which is supposed to be smart, you don't know the terms you agree upon. Is this what an ecosystem that aims to onboard 7 billion users should look like? Does this align with the transparency we want to offer to the users? That's why we developed the deployment validation files. DVFs aim to serve both the developers and the users by providing an automatic way and an open standard at the same time so that everyone can verify the parameters of various smart contracts. Our ambition is to push this as a standard to the entire ecosystem. Thanks a lot for your time and see you in Denver.